Hello, good morning. So, according to today's feedback, uh, Fly Dimer page, Attitude Dimer, and Vibes page, we made the changes, and also in the home page, we review for the responsiveness. So, everything is working like this. So, let's go to the Flight Dimer products here. So, we made this the bigger, the font size and everything. So we shifted down because there was not much space to make the font bigger, so we shifted down, so it's bigger now. And we removed the three lines as we discussed. The product size we made the fixed, so it will show like this now. We updated this content, headings and the contents. uh, this section is in the center. This section is updated. This all the text is updated with the latest one. This text is updated. We added the certificates logo here, made the bigger because to make the visible. Let's go to Attitude Armor. The same thing, we made the product this fixed. This text is made the more visible, and this text is here. We changed this graphics. We use this the same one from the your document file. We updated. We use the different here. Jet lag watch is here. Sickness infographics here. Updated this section also with all the texts. Updated this different text. We added this new section here because it was in the your PDF, and the text is that you sent us. The updated the certificates here also. Let's go to the Vibes product. We keep the GIF first as you want. We uploaded the bigger image here. We made this bigger to more visible. Updated some contents here also that you sent. Certificate we keep the same for now because there was no comment about the certificates. So let's go to like the home page, if like different screen resolutions. So I made like for the iMac 13-inch the screen resolutions. Everything is perfect working here. Fly dimers on 13-inch MacBook screen. Attitude armors on 13-inch MacBook. Small desktop also. Yeah, so I mean, the according the issue we found, we have fixed. So maybe if you found the your any issue in the your screen size, so let me know the what screen size that you're checking or something. So let me know. I can check that also, and you can send me uh, the content for the remaining pages Saibo, and maybe some changes on the Vive page. So you can send me the content for that. And I'm checking for the Amazon review export and import here. So please let me know. You can share me the detailed feedback like before you send me, so we can finalize the everything tomorrow. Thank you so much.